Akiamaba Azimio ni BORITHI Inspector munene wa BORITHI IG Japheth KOOME na munene wa BORITHI County ya Nairobi Adamson Bungei kuCIEBERIA GITINE na mpwe kumania na kiraba kuga ni bokoremwa gukaria antu barabara ethiritwe bagitithia na mbere maandamano jathiri BAUGITE BAILI baba kinya NIBABATIIRE kwaira mutharaba juu antu bairi barabatete uturo bao bakirikana kuratha ni MABISAA wa BORITHI kagita kamaandamano. Anthony Kathenya na chotarira
ngwataniro ndegani na thirikari ya Azimio itongeretwe ni mutongero wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka leo ni UTUMIRI Inspector munene wa polisi Japheth KOOME amune munene wa polisi County ya Nairobi Adamson Bungei kwebela obisi ni kileba kuuga ni ikarika lea kwangaikua na kwithokero kwa imwana bila umiliti kiumia giki kulegana na muswadu wake yena ithokiro lile ya polisi lilatigire kimwana kimo kia miaka 29 Rex Masai gitete moyo amuja Nairobi ngwataniro ni Azimio hamwe na oguni olitio sonkoni kuthithwa na mupolisi ole ala olagire muthakojo kujukirwa matagaria make watho.
Rex, like all his comrades, was peaceful, unarmed and non-violent, but he was senselessly gunned down by a police bullet. This is a tragic event with far-reaching consequences. Our coalition is extremely disturbed by Rex's fatal shooting. We demand that these perpetrators of police brutality be arrested and charged with murder before a court of law. As Azimio, and on behalf of the people, we demand that Inspector General Japheth KOOME and Nairobi Regional Commander Mr. Adamson Bungei immediately tender their resignations for failing to protect the peaceful demonstrators. We also demand that the Director of Public Prosecution bring charges against KOOME, Bungei, and their rogue officers for the murders of Rex and the 75.
Ngwataniro ni Azimio kagitakani ulite mutongoro nditango jia mwingi Renson Ngonga kuligulia nditango kire nene BAILI babolisi nonto bwa mekalika mama mweno ngwataniro ni lugalete kale ya mbere kuthithika ende ni mutugo withirutolio kuma kibolisi kire maandamano ma mwaka muthiru mangwataniro ni Azimio Kenya baingi ni batere mioyo nyume ya kulagwa ni bolisi.
We further demand that all protesters detained illegally by state security agencies be released immediately and unconditionally.
We demand that you resign. KOOME, we know that you are vicariously liable to the murder with malice aforethought of one Rex, and therefore you must resign, and the DPP must institute a criminal charge of murder against your person. To the police officer who murdered Rex, you must surrender yourself before Kenyans catch up with you.
Kumamuji muneno Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi Wakathenya.